Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your Nintendo Switch 2 completely and save battery life. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're going on a long trip and you want to make sure that you want to preserve as much battery life as possible. Maybe it's a plane ride, maybe it's a long car ride. How do you actually go ahead and turn off your Nintendo Switch 2 completely? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So what we're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and turn your Nintendo Switch. And so let's say that your Nintendo Switch 2 is on. In order to actually completely turn it off, there's actually two ways. You could actually go ahead and press and hold the power button here and hold it for about 3 seconds. So hold it for about 3 seconds and then wait until this menu here appears. So with this menu, click on power options and then click on power off. That's the first way to actually go ahead and completely shut off your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, the other way you can do is that if you're on your Nintendo Switch 2 and you press and hold the power button, wait until that menu appears. And then the key here is that you want to keep holding that power button until the screen shuts off. So that right there is a forced shutdown of your Nintendo Switch 2, which ultimately does completely shut off your Nintendo Switch 2. But those are the two ways to actually go ahead and completely turn off your Nintendo Switch 2 so that you can save battery life. And so it's fairly easy, guys. Use this anytime you go on long road trips where you know that you won't be charging your Nintendo Switch 2 or any long plane rides where, again, you know you won't be charging your Nintendo Switch 2. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.